vlogging. I don't know. It's always hard for me to come up with a title for this channel because, like, I'm bad with thumbnails, and thumbnails are the fucking first impression of a YouTube channel, you know, of a viewer to a YouTube channel's video. Alarm went off and cut my recording off. This is just a little sidetrack. We're in North Charleston now, and yeah, video is gonna continue to go from here. Right now, getting the F150 cleaned, and then gonna be back on the road. I was just working, I just had a job and stuff, so about to be back at it. For representation, there's my speedometer. Like I said, it's fucked up, so. Back into it, and then truck content. I'm trying to find a niche for the channel, but I haven't found anything consistent yet. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, you should check out some of my other videos. My pull after pull in the F150, my most recent one where I got my exhaust finished and it has the full exhaust and everything. That's a good video. I absolutely dogged the piss out of this truck in that video. It's what I'm trying to do in this video, but the roads are so busy right now, it's kind of hard to dog the truck. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in manual mode and we'll dog it in manual the whole way home. It's gonna be hard to hold this shit and dog my truck. I'm holding the tripod and recording with one hand, steering with the other, and shifting with the other. That was a good pull. At least the truck finally sounds a lot better now that it has a full exhaust, custom exhaust, whatever.
Oh my god, the other one behind us are blinking yellow.
Still in my garage.
Oh, you're gonna fucking decay, bro.
Yeah, they are. Recording in the city, I can't really, when I'm doing pulls, I can't hold it as long as I would when I'm out in the country and stuff, or just out on the long stretch of the road. It's about an hour out. Which, I have a couple of those clips in this video, so you'll see a couple good pulls in it. But I mean, these little short pulls, you know, they are what they are. And I have a little thing that I can put on my head to start recording. You know, I can drive in like manual mode and stuff. The automatic manual, whatever. But, so yeah, I can get some more recordings, but I don't know. Just, if you're still watching, or if you've watched to this point, you know, drop a like if you want more content like this. A lot of fun recording, ventured out into the woods and pulled an all-nighter. That was a lot of fun too. And I have a lot of fun recording this kind of content, but so some engagement showing that y'all like it would be nice. Alright, that's pretty much gonna conclude this video. I'll get one more final pull. I can't. There's too many people around. We cut that shit up. And listen,
You're gonna break your car and you're gonna cry and be like, this car sucks, this car's a piece of shit.
this car sucks. This car is a piece of shit.
Oh, that's good. Hell yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Good shit. That's what I was trying to do, bro.
Fuck.
That was good.
Fuck, the hole. Oh my god. And now, I'll record one more time before we just... Alright y'all, it's a new day. I'm gonna get some more recordings of me dogging the piss out the F-150. Everything's still cold right now. Engine, trans, I just started the truck up, so it's gonna need a second to warm up before I start actually doing anything.